Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the secrets of living our best lives. Today, we're tackling a subject that affects each and every one of us, the importance of a good night's sleep. We've all experienced those mornings when the alarm clock rudely interrupts our dreams, leaving us groggy and barely functional. But did you know that getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep every night can make all the difference in setting us up for success and an energized day? Let's talk facts for a moment. Sleep deprivation has been linked to a plethora of serious health conditions, like obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. That's not all. It can also negatively affect our mood, motivation, and energy levels. Lack of sleep can turn our sunny days into gloomy ones, drain us of our enthusiasm, and leave us feeling like zombies. Now, I know what you might be thinking, I just don't have the time to sleep that much. Trust me, I get it. We live in a fast-paced world where it seems like there's always a never-ending to-do list. But here's the thing, prioritizing sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity. And by making it a priority, we can actually become more productive, efficient, and focused in all aspects of our lives. From CEOs to athletes, countless high achievers credit their accomplishments to the power of a good night's sleep. It's no wonder that they prioritize it like a critical tool in their arsenal. So why shouldn't we do the same? Creating the ideal sleep environment is key. Make your bedroom a sanctuary, free from distractions and bright lights. Invest in a comfortable mattress and quality bedding. Set a consistent sleep schedule, prioritizing the hours your body needs to rest and rejuvenate. And if you find yourself tossing and turning once you're in bed, try incorporating relaxation techniques into your routine. Deep breathing, gentle stretching, or perhaps a warm cup of herbal tea before bedtime can help calm your mind and prepare it for a night of deep, restful sleep. Imagine waking up feeling refreshed, recharged, and ready to conquer the day. By giving ourselves the gift of sufficient sleep, we're giving our bodies and minds the opportunity to fully recharge, rebuild, and come back stronger every morning. So, I invite you to join the sleep revolution. Let's prioritize self-care, embrace the power of slumber, and make 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep an integral part of our lives. Together, we can unlock endless possibilities and be the best versions of ourselves. Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, sleep tight. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends.